how to buy BeNBe token. So this token came under the symbol of Ben. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money about crypto. With the best referral code, simplest codes below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, to be able to buy this token, go and open their official website. So as you can see, wait a few seconds. So as you can see, click on buy Ben. So after a while, you will be able to redirect you to 4.me, decentralized exchange platform. So I will just connect my wallet from the start. So after that, what you need to do, select your wallet, for example, the MetaMask, click on connect. So as you can see, you need to confirm this signature request. Click on confirm. So after that, what you need to do, click on this buy option, and here type how much you want to buy of that BNB that you have on your wallet. So I will just type 0.5. So you need to have some funds on your wallet. So after that, click on trade, and pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to be able to complete the buy process, to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the BeN token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.